Welcome students to your EVS class. So we have completed our lesson 4 reading and understanding part. Now we are going to do the exercise and the copy work, right? Book exercise and copy work is left. So we are going to complete it today itself, right? So I hope you all are ready with your semester 1 book EVS part, and you have to be ready with page number 157. 157. There is answer time. I hope you all are ready with your pencils. A. Tick the correct answer. You have to tick the correct answer over here. All of us need food to grow strong or weak. All of us need food to grow strong or weak. So what will be the answer over here? Yes, we need food to be strong. Strong होने के लिए हमें food चाहिए. Weak होने के लिए नहीं चाहिए, right? So you will be putting a tick on strong. S-T-R-O-N-G, strong. Next, onion or mango is a vegetable. Onion or mango is a vegetable. So which is a vegetable? Onion, pyaz, ya mango, aam. Yes, it's the onion. O-N-I-O-N, onion. Onion is a vegetable. Third, we get milk from plants, plants, or animals, animals. Yes, so from where do we get the food? From where do we get the milk? It's from animals. Yes, plants does not give us milk. Plants give us fruits and vegetables. But here it is asked, we get milk from. So it is animal. Cow se milta hai. Turn your page to the 158. Okay, so let's read. We should always wash our hands or toes before eating. So what should we wash? Hands or toes? Yes, hands. H-A-N-D-S. Hands. Very nice too. Let's move to the next question. The fifth one of the choose the correct answer. It is the last one. We should store food in clean or dirty utensils. We should store food in which utensils? Utensils मतलब बर्तन. और हमें store करके किस में रखना चाहिए? We have studied this in good eating habits. Yes, we should always store food in clean utensil. Even we eat in a clean utensil. है ना? Food हम जो लेते हैं serve करके लेते हैं, that is also we are taking in the clean utensils. Okay, utensils means bartan. Understood, students? Here we completed. Take the correct answer. Let's move to the B part, that is read these sentences. You have to read these sentences. Write T for true and F for false. So let's do the true and false. Okay, true means sahi, false means correct. We should not wash our hands before eating. So this is right, this is true or false? Yes, it's a false, because we should wash our hands and we are doing that. Not right. So this is false. Second sentence, let's read. We should always waste food. We should always waste food. हमें खाना बर्बाद करना चाहिए? Waste करना चाहिए? No, this is also again false. We eat breakfast at night. Breakfast जो meal है, 3 different meals हमने पढ़े थे, breakfast, lunch and dinner. So here it is written that breakfast we used to take at night. Is this true or false? Yes, it's also false, because breakfast we eat, the first meal of the day is known as breakfast, right? In the morning that we eat. Yes. Fifth, we should wash the utensils where we store food. We should wash the utensils where we store food. मतलब आप जो utensils use करते हैं, store करते हैं खाना, उसे हमें wash करना चाहिए. Yes, that is true. So इसमें सिर्फ एक ही true था, सिर्फ fourth वाला true था, rest all were false. Is it clear, students? So here we completed our A and B part. Next is answer these questions. The question I'm not going to write. Question you are going to copy it down from the book itself. You are going to write the. We will going to read the answer over here. Okay, I'm going to read the question and answers I'm going to write in the board. Okay, students. So be quickly ready with your answer these questions. So students, we are going to start with our question answers part. So let's read the first question. First, why do we need food? हमें food क्यों चाहिए? We have studied this. Yes. So let's see what is the answer over here. What we have to write? We need food. This is from the question itself. इतना आपको food question चाहिए. We will start V. From V से हम start करेंगे question में. We need food. Then what you have to remember? To grow strong and healthy. So you have to remember to grow strong and healthy. We need food. Question में ही है. To grow strong and healthy, you have to remember to write that as the answer. Okay. So understood the first question. This we have already done, and you all are knowing the answer as well. So second, what time of the day do we have dinner? हम dinner कौन से time पे खाते हैं? So we have written we have dinner. ये भी question में WV से start करेंगे. We have dinner. Okay, we have dinner. It's from the question. याद क्या रखना है? At 8 p.m. Okay, 8 p.m. PM मतलब कब यूज करते हैं? जब इवनिंग टाइम होता है. आपके जो 12 बजे होता है दिन का, उसके बाद से क्या लग जाता है? PM स्टार्ट हो जाता है. ओके, सो 8 PM इज नाइट. गुड, शाम रात का टाइम. सो वी हैव डिनर एट 8 PM. Understood, students? Next question. What time of the day do we have lunch? Lunch हमारा कौन सा मील है? Second meal of the day, जो होता है दोपहर में. So when do we have lunch? We have lunch. ये आपके क्वेश्चन में ही है. We have lunch is in the question itself. You have to remember at 2 PM. Okay? यहाँ पे 2 PM क्यों लिखा है? क्योंकि 12 o'clock के बाद आता है 2, है ना? और दिन में 12 o'clock के बाद PM लग जाता है. मॉर्निंग का टाइम होता है तो AM होता है. अगर दोपहर के बाद से फिर PM लग जाता है. ओके, अंडरस्टूड? नेक्स्ट, नेम 2 फूड आइटम्स वी गेट फ्रॉम प्लांट्स. सो मैम ने पूरा ना लिखते हुए सिर्फ मैम ने इतना लिखा है, फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स. what do we get from plant? Fruits and vegetables are. Okay, so remember the spelling of fruits and vegetables. Learn the spelling, students. Spellings are very important for your vocabulary. Question number 5. When do we eat food? हम food कब खाते हैं? कब खाते हैं हम खाना? जब हमें भूख लगती है. When we feel hungry. So you have to write. We will be writing this again from the question itself. We will start from we eat food. इतना आपको question में से आ जाएगा. Then what you will learn? When we are hungry. बस इतना आपको याद रखना है. Okay, so like this way, if you learn the question answers, it will be easy for you to remember also. कि आपको कौन सा part question से लेना है और कितना आपको याद रख के लिखना है. Okay, so when we eat food. Okay, we eat food. उसके बाद याद क्या रखना है? When we are hungry. HUNGRY, hungry. So this you have to complete in your copy work. And as I said, your homework, I have in the online classes itself, I have said that you have to draw the junk food and healthy food. Okay, junk food and healthy food draw करके many of you have drawn and send me also. जिन्होंने draw नहीं किया, after the question answers you can draw it. जिन्होंने ड्रॉ कर लिया, well and good. This is those who have not drawn, draw it to junk food and healthy food. Okay, students, so complete your work, learn the spellings, read the questions, and write your work very neatly. So, students, meet you in the next period with a yet new lesson. So, see you then.